If you have ever struggled with managing large number of defects in your projects, Rally defect suites can be a game changer. In this video, I'll show you how to use defect suites to group related defects and track them as a single unit for resolutions during iterations or release. Welcome to raigurukul.com. I'm Deepak Rai and let's jump right to see how we create and manage defect suites. First of all, what are defect suites? Defect suites in Rally allow you to bundle related defects together into a single logical unit. Instead of tracking defects one by one, you can organize them into suites, which makes managing and resolving them much more efficient. Whether you are working on an iterations or planning for release, defect suites can help streamline the process. Why we should use defect suites? First is efficient tracking. You can track a collection of defects as one unit rather than managing each defect separately. For doing that, you have to navigate into the quality and from this sections, click on defect suites. Here you can click on add new and it will select a work item types as defect suites and project as whatever your project name. Here I wanted to create defect suites for high priority or critical defect. I will just add this. If you want, you can directly click on this, but I wanted to add the details as well. Here we'll track all the critical or blocker defect of our project. Now, if you want, you can add the attachments and that's it. You can also add plan estimates, whichever defect suits you want, and click on create. This will create a defect suits. Now here you have defect list. This is a bundle. Within this bundle, you can club all the critical defects which is exist in your projects. Here you can either create a defects or add a new defects. In this defects suite, you can add plenty of defects. Let me just add some defect with normal details. I'm not going to add much detail here. High attention severity is major problem and click on create. Now you can see this defect is added successfully. Other is I will create one more defect 2 again because I'm targeting for critical or blocker issues. That's the reason I'm creating with this defects 3. Even we can import the defects directly from CSV and we can download it as well. We can download these defects in CSV format. Now I will just add one more and then we are good to proceed further. High tensions, major problem, create defects. Here you can see these defects are created successfully. If I wanted to see this defects, I will just go to here and I can see these are the defect list. Under this, we have these are the child items. As of now, you can see status as state as 0 of 4. Here, let's consider I will update this to fixed. Now you can see or maybe closed. Here, when we'll refresh, you can see the state of all the defects is showing here itself. We don't have to navigate under this. Priority, severity, everything we can manage it. At any point of time, I want to update any of this informations. We'll click on edit and this will navigate it to the bulk edit operations where you can edit the fields in bulk. If you want to add or delete any of those operations, you can delete it from here. Copy task form, rank lowest, rank highest, all those operations we can do it very quickly. When we'll go to the defects, if I wanted to add the task, we can assign the task to the respective team member. This is very much easier where we can manage all the defects together as a part of bundle, and within this bundle, this can create Informations for our business user, where business user can directly track it by using this defect suite ID. If you can see here, the defect suite ID is generated as DS1 and revision history you can see it here. Those who are updating or making changes within this defects, they can see it. If any discussion is going on, we can also see all those discussions informations here. Now, if I wanted to download the CSV of the views, I will just download it and you can see all those defects informations are added here or downloaded here. Now, it's very much easy to manage within this bucket where testing team or business team has to not to navigate here and there. That's how you can use defect suites in Rally to streamline defect management and improve your team efficiency. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of the feature and how it can make difference in your project workflows. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks on mastering Rally and other agile tools. I would love to hear from you. How do you manage large number of defects in your projects? Do you think using defect suites would improve your projects? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comment below. Your feedback could spark some great discussions. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in further part of the video. Thank you.